Hello friends, welcome back and welcome if it's your first time. Flavour Station, no long intro, perfect mash, no fandangled ricer or machine, perfect, smooth, wonderful, tasty, fluffy match day, bloody. Mashed potato, nice, fluffy, smooth, beautiful mashed potatoes. Keep it locked, end result is sick.
Flavour Station. Flavour Station.
Alrighty then, you're gonna need your spuddy buddy. Get that on deck. He's my little mate, he's gonna help us. Now, get some spuds. That's potatoes. Spuds are potatoes, slang maybe. You're gonna peel these. I don't know what spuds there was. Like baking potatoes. You can get funny about what potatoes you use, but I'm gonna show you, it doesn't matter. Speed that up. Do a flipper, scratcher, peel them bad boys. Bye, spuddy. Now we're gonna chop these. Lovely jubbly. Now you want a consistent size. I don't know, a couple centimeters like that. Consistent size means they'll cook through all at the same rate. You know, you can tell a lot about a person by the mashed potato, you know. The seasoning, and is it thick? Is it creamy? Is it soft? Look, see it there? If it's got lumps in it, I'm never eating at your yard again. Now please subscribe, hit the dinger, because I need new shoes. I've literally got holes in my shoes, my socks are soaking. Now, we're gonna get some salt, Himalayan salt, less sodium, good for you. If you love cooking with salt, it's a good shout, man. Get that pink stuff. Now, boom, see it there? Now, just so you're aware, flavour chasers, you're gonna need some cream and some butter. Them thing there will add the richness and the flavour. The colander there, see it there? See your chunks nice and big? Yeah, we're gonna come with some salt. Yes, pink salt, it's good for you, less sodium, no messing about, look at it. Yes, man. Consistent size, cooks evenly, boom. That's to add, and a sieve to pass it through. Pass it through with a spoonula, a colander to drain it. You know the steez. Now we're gonna come in, boiling water, steamy on the camera. Mixing that salt. I don't know why I just do that. Now we're seasoned, we're boiling, we're smashing it. It's only mashed potato, but it says a lot about you. Look, translucent around the edges, tap it against the side. See it falling away? Thing's cooked, blood. It's lovely, it's flaky. I love potato, blood. Clean down, you dirty pig. Now you've got your potatoes. Just double check the bigger bits. See, falling away like no man's business. We're gonna drain them. Look, see it? Oh, yep, we're ready to mash, baby. Now they're drained in the colander. Leave it a minute, let the steam just evaporate a little bit. You might want to microwave after, because it does cool down. But yeah, grab your sieve over your pan, spoonula. Put them in there, and you're just gonna squeeze it through. Now this will make sure it's so smooth and velvety and silky. Get a harder spoon. That was just bending and thing. And it removes all your little eyes as well, the little black bits and any hard bits. See them there? They're not going into your mash, which is incredible. Look at that, beautiful. Now just repeat the process till you've done all your potatoes. Lovely. Sausage and mash, simple meal. Toad in a hole with mash, pie and mash. But you know what? If your mashed potato is sick, same with scrambled eggs, anything basic. If you've got a basic understanding of something like mash, everyone's gonna want to eat at your yard. Imagine going to the yard, it's like crushed potatoes, all big bits in there, loud at blood, with one of them mashers. Nah, man. Now what you want to do, potatoes still warm, lovely, bang some butter in there. It's all I had. I was on lockdown. Double that if you want it really buttery, but I couldn't get no butter, so sue me. See it there? It's going all smooth, cream. Oh, plenty of that, baby. Gets me gassed just looking at it. Look at the consistency, man. It's beautiful. The right fat content, so it's not all sticking to the spoon and the pan. Trust me. Oh, yes, man. Flake sea salt, black pepper, crack that in there. Jeez. Give that another mix. We're seasoning, baby. It's potato, but it's good potato. Look on this something. See it there? It's like Play-Doh. We don't taste like Play-Doh. It tastes like the most amazing mash you've ever tasted in your life. If your mash doesn't look like this from now on, you're not allowed. You're not allowed to cook potatoes no more. Look at that. Beautiful stuff, man. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. You lot are absolute legends. Mash up a brew.
Flavor Station.